Respective teachers and my dear friends. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our India. Best wishes to everyone and special thanks to everyone for providing me this fortunate opportunity to deliver the patriotic and meaningful speech. Every year Independence Day is celebrated on August 15th. It's celebrated to honor the day and country to gain its freedom and national and sovereignty. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate this momentous occasion in the history of our nation. Independence Day on August 15, 1947, India has emerged as a free nation after some years of colonial rule. Today, the day is reflection, gratitude and celebration of our journey. It represents the battle and sacrifice their lives of our freedom fighters, the determination of the nation to achieve the self-rule. Prominent leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru played an important role in our shaping our destiny. Non-corporation movement, Salt March and Quit India movement are some of the milestones they reached and the paved of the way. Independence Day is a more than national holiday, and it celebration of Independence Day of some principles like democracy, unity and justice. We observe various traditions on Independence Day. We observe common activities include the flag hosting and parade, military power, fireworks and cultural performance and various kinds of activities in our Independence Day. We are proud and we are very honored that we got a good revolutionists and good freedom fighters to give us freedom, and they led this country into a great freedom. And we should be inspired, and we should be take example of our freedom fighters, what they done in the past. So today on August 15th, Independence Day, we should be inspirable and let us lead our India to a good economic and educational development. Thank you.